Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today we're gonna look at something a little bit different. Instead of hair, I'm gonna be doing another makeup tutorial. So if you like this look that I have right here, stay tuned and I will show you how I achieved it. So I am going to be using my Carity Rose All Day palette. I have not used this palette since like last year. It has some really pretty pinks and fuchsias and some creams in here. So if you can tell, I'm gonna be doing a pink look. Nothing like the one that I did last time. This one's gonna be a lot softer, a lot more wearable. Still bright because I love color, but not to the extent where we were using Fun Day for like the whole look. This one's gonna be a lot more muted. So I'm gonna start with Sunday, which is this color right here. I'm gonna go in with that one first. And I did prime my eyes before I got started. I did use my go-to that I always use. I use the Lorac Behind the Scenes Eyewear eye primer. So now that I have Sunday, I think I am going to go in with this color here, Cheer. It's kind of more of like a fuchsia. It has like a soft shimmer to it. It's kind of like a satin. Using the same brush. It looks a lot brighter on camera, so it's making me nervous. We'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna use that one first, and I might layer something else on top of it. So I have this Revolution Beauty palette. It's got kind of like mauves and purples and kind of rose colors. I think I'm gonna go into this one and use that to kind of mute this down a little bit. So I'm gonna take a smaller fluffy brush. And this looks a little red. So I'm gonna take this middle one and this one down here and kind of put them together to try to deepen this up. And that's a lot more of the color that I was looking for. Okay, so this is where we are. I'm gonna take some of the deeper, like kind of fuchsia, I don't know what color this is, like a mauve, kind of sweep that out. I'm so glad I did not do my base makeup first with this shadow look because it is a little bit all over the place. Okay, so that is where we're gonna stop with that. And then I want to add some shimmers. I want to make this nice and sparkly and pretty. I don't know that I want to use the shimmers in the Carity palette because they just look more like kind of ashy. So I'm going to take my flat brush. I am going to use it like a base, and I'm going to go into the color Brunch in here. It's this middle one. And then pop that right in the center of my eye to give me something to lay on top of. I think that's a good base to start with. I'm gonna bring out my X's and O's by ColourPop. I'm gonna use a combination of Rookie and Knows Better and put that right in the center of my eye. And I'm gonna use my fingers. Now I'm going to go into my Huda palette, and I'm going to use this color down here, Angelic. It is like a rose gold kind of pink. I'm going to pop that on top. And I will use a flat brush for that. I am not entirely feeling it. Let's see. Let's do something different with the lid. I'm gonna take this liquid shadow by Too Faced, and it is in the color, I don't know what color this is. Candy Rose. I'm gonna pop that on my lid. See if I like that any better. I think that actually a lot better. That looks a whole lot better than how it was looking before. And then I'm gonna go back into those pinks, kind of layer it back over. You can actually want to bring out the Carity palette again. And I'm gonna go back into La Home. I don't know how to say that. And I'm just gonna go around the edges of that shimmer. And I'm gonna take this color Nefertiti, which is not really a rose gold, it's more of just a gold, but I'm gonna pop that in the center just to see if I can get a little more sparkle, just a little bit. I'm just gonna tap that on top lightly to give me a little bit more dimension. Now we gotta look. And I feel like smudging out my bottom lash line, so I'm gonna take this itty bitty Morphe brush. This is the Morphe M213, and I'm gonna go into those like mauve colors that we used from the Revolution Beauty palette. And I'm just gonna mix them again and scoop them underneath. And I feel like I need an inner corner highlight. So I'm gonna take 20 something from that ColourPop palette and pop it into the corner. And then I'm gonna layer something on top of it. Go into the Rosé All Day and take the color Fizz and pop that on top. I'm just gonna edit a little bit more. I know it looks like real editorial right now, but I haven't done my base makeup yet, so So I'm gonna bring that in and get my eyeshadow together. Okay, so I am back. Everything is done. I let my hair down. The makeup is on. The base makeup, that is. I have put on a liner and some lashes. They are Ardell Naked Lashes number 421. My new favorite, because I do not like falsies, but these look very natural. They're kind of a wispy, like a natural flare. Not too long, not too heavy. I hate heavy lashes. I do wear contacts, so if it's heavy, it does irritate my eyes a lot. So I found that these are like a really good compromise to get the glam, but without too much weight or irritation. And yeah, as you guys can see, you can kind of give you a close-up here. The pink is really pretty. There's a little bit of glitter, a little shine, a little sparkle, a little razzle dazzle. I hope you guys like this look. I'm into it. I wasn't into it at first, but now that it all came together, I am really happy with the way that it looks. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel once again. Thank you guys for rocking with me. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you get notifications, because I am going to be putting out a lot more content in the near future. So do make sure that you have your notifications on, and I am so excited for all the content that I'm going to be putting out, and you guys hopefully will love it. If you have any ideas or any suggestions for any makeup looks that I should try, any hairstyles that you guys want to see, go ahead and drop those below in the comments. If you have any feedback for me at all, go ahead and drop that below in the comments as well. And again, thank you, curlies, for watching.